The 11th of November is a poignant day when the nation gathers and falls silent to remember the fallen men and women from conflicts past and present. And as a tribute to those who have made the ultimate sacrifice, a handful of brand new coins have been issued for 2019 in support of the Royal British Legion. And in today's video, I'm going to take a closer look at the 2019 Masterpiece Silver 5-ounce Poppy coin. And it truly is worthy of that title. You see, a single stylised Royal British Legion poppy created from mother of pearl proudly sits on top of this silver 5-ounce coin. But for those of you that aren't too sure what mother of pearl is, it's a material that makes up the outer coating of pearls. It's known for its strong, resilient and iridescent qualities, which also means that each coin is completely unique. No two coins will be the same. The mother of pearl on your coin has also been expertly coloured to create a stunning, shimmery red finish that requires immense craftsmanship. In short, it really is one of the finest and most stunning pieces of minting that I've ever seen. But that's not all. Multiple poppies have been engraved into the surface of the coin, resulting in an exceptional three-dimensional finish. So, the coin truly is a work of art. Now, every year, a new Masterpiece Poppy coin is released, and every single year it sells out. So considering that the just 300 Masterpiece silver 5-ounce Poppy coins have been released for 2019, I really don't expect them to be around for long. But the highlight of this coin for me, well, it has to be the donation amount to the Royal British Legion. You see, £55 from each sale goes directly to supporting the Legion, who provide financial, social and lifelong support to the armed forces community. And considering that early this year, thanks to collectors like yourselves, the sale of commemorative remembrance and poppy-themed coins have raised an incredible £1 million for the Royal British Legion, and it really is such an important charity to support. So, if you're interested, you can reserve the 2019 Masterpiece Silver 5-ounce Poppy coin for your collection today with an initial payment of just £55. All you have to do is head over to the link on the screen now.